So guys, I managed to get the parts for the Astra. It is quite late, so I will keep the video nice and short. Just thought I'd quickly show you the parts so we can start the rebuild project quite quick now. So the grills, we're just going to quickly compare them. The top grill is what we took off the Astra, and the bottom grill is what we're going to put on the Astra. Straight away you can see we've gone for the more sportier look. Managed to get these from the scrapyard pretty cheap as well, so we're on a bit of a win-win situation so far. We'll put the cost in of everything at the end and see whether we've actually lost money in the rebuild or is it actually worth it or not. Anyway, that's at the end. As you can see, we've got a light, got a socket, which I didn't mention in the last video because one of the edits went a bit wrong. When I was removing the headlight, I ended up damaging this part of the socket. So when I went to get this Astra, I've got the full loom, and as you can see, I've just chopped it out. So what we need to do is strip the wires, get the soldering iron out, solder both wires together, tape them off with electrician's tape or the heat singes. I'm going to try and get hold of some heat singes first, so it makes the job a lot easier, and then go from there. The light, obviously there's two versions of the lights, which quite a lot of people might be familiar. If you're just new to this channel and you are only here for the rebuild project, there's a silver insert and a black insert. As you can see, my one's a black insert. The light is perfectly fine, nothing wrong with it. And now to the bumper. I can't wait to actually put this bumper on and see what the car looks like itself, but you can see we've got fog lights on either side. The car itself doesn't actually have fog lights, so they're more of a display model. We will just take the switches out at the end, just leave them on for display, so they do look a lot more smart. Not imitating that it's got fog lights, obviously. Whatever we do, we will tell if it's going to get sold, if we're going to use it. We know the next seller, if we do sell it, we'll let him know that hasn't got actual fog lights. Anyway, the grill itself is what's exciting me the most. If you remember the previous video where I've shown you the damage in the car and you've seen the other bumper, it looks nothing like this. So this bumper with this grill, I think it's going to look gorgeous. I just can't wait to actually get onto the car. Hopefully sometime soon we're going to crack onto it. Anyway guys, that's all for tonight. Just a quick little video. It's getting late, so I thought I'd just quickly wrap it up while I'm at the unit, and then I can go back to the house. So anyway guys, this is what it is. The car's coming at the unit in the next few days, so we can crack on with it, and I'll be uploading the video of the actual rebuild project, so it should be part 3 or 4, I'm not too familiar. But anyway guys, make sure you're hitting the like button, the subscribe button, and make sure you're sharing the post for your friends as well. And to stay tuned, when you subscribe there's a bell. If you click the bell notification, every time I upload the rebuild project, you'll get a notification straight away, so you won't be missing out on anything. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, bye.